for anyone who wants to join international beauty pageants, I would say remember who you are. Make sure the judges sees that personality apart from your gorgeous smile. And then, everything else comes with preparation as well. Always be prepared. Practice makes perfect.
Joshua Lee Carluccio, Mr. Valorant and first runner-up. So I have
Congratulations.
Thank you. Congratulations also. I have this question. What was the toughest experience during this summertime and how did you overcome it?
For me, the most difficult part of Miss Summer World was the mental preparation. More than anything else, it can be mentally draining and exhausting because you always have to be at your best. Even when you're tired, you have to smile. How much I miss home. Seeing all the banderitas, all the tents, the chaos of the tricycle. Sometimes you hate it, but you also love it at the same time because it just reminds you of home. And I've never been home since Fiesta, since I moved to London. So this is very extra special for me because since 10 years ago, this is my first Fiesta. I left 10 years ago when I was organizing the month-long Fiesta celebration. And now I'm coming back as a guest. I'll tell you the truth. At first, I feel like, what am I doing here? I felt like, am I ready for such big responsibility? Because obviously, I've done pageants before, but this time I knew that it was different. Coming from a very small town in an island like Tacloban and finally making it big in an international competition is larger than life. Who would have thought that a girl from Barangay Muñoz who used to work in an office of the mayor in a very small town of Tacloban that wasn't even a city during that time would go to Albania, wear Miss Philippines sash, and compete every single day for 7 days and impress everyone.
Kung ang aton mga kids, kung mag-i-invest kita ratatagan nato nirahin equal opportunity para makapag-eskwela, ma-motivate na nila pag-eskwela, karayo talaga tira maabot. Ngayon, I believe nga education is the key to alleviate poverty as well. Sometimes, gaano man kakuri kinabuhi, ipipirit po natin nga iaahos ang atong pamilya. Ngayon, ipadara lang ang mga kids sa school. Kasi, actually, ito't aton maipapabalon na atong mga anak. Sanglit, yan ang kulok, an akong inisyatibo together with different people from London. Nagtirok-tirok kami, nagmeeting-meeting kami, nagburublig kami para maihatag namon iniha iyo nga gutigad lang. It's a very simple lang nga amon gift para ha iyo.
Really feels home. And indeed, there is no place like home. Damo nga salamat for a very warm embracing, almost consoling welcome. On the way of achieving greatness and achieving your dreams, please do not remember the very first moment why you did it, who you're doing it for, and what is your next plan. Ladies and gentlemen, these questions brought me in here because those were the moments in my life when I was younger as people like you. I was hungry, I was ambitious, I was determined. And I've met a lot of people that came into these doors because they give speeches like this one that you're hearing right now. And it actually inspired me to do even better. I've promised to myself that I would always be next, the person next best of who's ever in front of me. Therefore, your only competition is no one else but yourself. This is why I am here, because I aspire to inspire. I do not care if I only have 10 people in the audience. If I am able to touch and tell my story and affect change to one person in this room, in this hall, I will be happy going home. And my purpose of coming home has been fulfilled.